Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is probably gonna get this video. Today is Saturday, July the 25th. Yeah, July 25th. So you're probably gonna get this video. I don't know when you're gonna get it, but I'm gonna give it to you as soon as possible because there's some things I'm gonna show you that I thrifted from the Goodwill. Guys, y'all already know that it has been something else trying to go in these Goodwill since they opened. I didn't really start going to the Goodwill until probably like the middle of July. So the things that were featured in the kitchen tour, a few things like a cutting board and stuff like that, that was like maybe a few days ago or something because I just did not feel comfortable going into the Goodwill. But anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you so very much for all your warm, very nice comments on that video. I really appreciate you guys chiming in, watching it. I had great pleasure in making that video, and I put all my skills and things that I do know how to do into that video. Everywhere I ever lived, like my mom told me, that's how I was raised. I don't care what she said, what she told me. She said she don't care if you got a one rag, you keep it clean. So wherever you live, you just take care of it and do the best that you can. So anyway, guys, with that being said, some of the items that I'm going to show you today came from the Goodwill, not too far from the home where I live now. Uh, Everything was $1. $1 plus I was able to use a 35% off coupon because, guys, remember before the pandemic, I had got a 35% off. That was like March or something. After that, they were not open and they were not taking any coupons. So I said, once I get my hands on a few things, then I'll use the coupon on that. And so for some odd reason, they normally don't like take the 35% off if things were $1, but they did. And I'm grateful for that. And if that was God, I received that, Father. I'm very grateful and very thankful for that. And this video ain't gonna be long, y'all, because I've been sipping on my turmeric tea and I gotta go to the bathroom, okay? I gotta go to the bathroom. So let's just get into it. We got 4 things. And then, guys, the 4 things that I'm going to show you today, I am going to, 2 of them, I'm going to show you where I'm going to place them. And then the other 2 of them are for the kitchen. One is for the patio. And the other one is for the living room. So since you have not seen the living room tour yet, I will make sure I remind you guys that is where I put one of the items. And then the other item that's one of the items that's for the kitchen, I'm not sure as like where I want to put it right now. So I just gonna probably just set it in the kitchen until I find out. And then probably once I do a whole house tour, then I'll show you guys where I put that one item for the kitchen. So guys, y'all are in the bonus room. Whoo, this room is really done. This room is really done, and I can't wait to show it to y'all because when I show y'all what I received for free, you guys are gonna be like, OMG, like I'm gonna Google it because I need to find out how much that really is, how much that really was, or what have you. I don't know. But anyway, y'all want to get into the video? Y'all want to get into what I found for like 70? How much was this stuff? Like $2 and some change or something like that? Because like I said, everything was $1 plus the 35% off. So that's like 65 cents or something like that for everything. So it was like $2 and some change. So you can't go wrong. So this is so funny because I've been wanting to put this on, I think from the other house. I wanted to always put one of these, but I wanted to wait till I find like the right size to actually do that. So I did. So guys, the first item I got was this. Y'all see that? Isn't that pretty? This is like a pewter color. It opens and closes. Has a little latch on it. You can either hang this up or you can like just put it down. So I'm going to be putting mine down because I have one of those lights that come on by themselves, the LED lights that go in your yard. They hit the sun, the solar lights. I'm going to put one of those in here and I'm going to show you, I'm going to insert a picture of how this looks at night, I think, and how it looks when I put it in there or where I'm going to put this. So that's what I got. I got this. And guys, it was originally $5. But remember what I told you guys, everything was $1 and I had 35% off of that. So I got this, which is really, really pretty. Really nice large size, if you can tell. It's really, really nice. So yeah, no damage or anything. So I like that. The second thing I got was for the kitchen. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Came from Target. It was brand new. They had $4, but like I said, it was $1, so it cost me like 65 cents. It has like the bamboo on here. And this is where you had, this is an over the cabinet organizer. So as you can see, they have like method cleaner stuff right here. Still has the tape on it and everything, guys. So yeah, it was marked down. It was $14.99 marked down to $10. But y'all, look at this. This is real galvanized steel, white. Y'all already know when I seen this. I asked the lady, I said, is this real? Is this really going to be $1 plus 35? She was like, yeah. I was like, oh gosh. So I'm excited about this find. So I got that, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. Where were you at? Well, I can't say that because I wasn't at the Goodwill looking for nothing like all like that these days, because it just seemed really weird being in there. It just seemed really weird. So I got that, y'all. So, y'all, I picked up this. How cute is that? It is gray whitewashed. And this is what I'm going to show you in the video. I'm going to put this over in the kitchen. I wish I would have went to the Goodwill before I did that tour. But I don't know if you guys remember. Do you guys remember the area where the Berkey is? Right above the Berkey, you probably weren't paying attention to it because you were looking at that beautiful Berkey. Above the Berkey is where there's a template for your phone jack. Nobody has phone jacks, phones. I do have phones still, but we don't have a phone here. So anyway, I'm going to add this over that because it has like a little hook thing here. This was $1. And I'm going to put it over there. It says, God is within her. She will not fall. At first I kept saying, do they mean she will not fail? Because that's true too. She will not fail. But for real, she will not fall. And it's Psalms 46:5. And I like that. Because like I said, it's real wood, gray washed. And it has like, yeah. So I don't want to overboard. I don't want to do too much in that kitchen. So that little area right there will have like four of the signs like these. And then in each of the rooms, y'all, I'm getting rid of more stuff because I don't want to have like, you don't need a whole lot in one area. So like the kitchen, I mean the living room, the bathroom, I keep forgetting. The bathroom, the office, the living room, dining room area will really only have like one big focal thing because I don't want all that stuff. I don't want all that stuff. Y'all shouldn't even want all that stuff. That's more stuff you gotta get rid of when it's time to go. I will want somebody to actually, if I say I want you to come in the house and shop for stuff or give things so they can come and look, I would rather for their eyes to be focused. Can you imagine like looking at all these things versus this one thing that just stands out? Oh, I want this, walk out the door, versus a basket full of little things. So that's just the way I kind of like explain stuff. So yeah, I got this. I think it's really nice. And yeah, guys, these are my little items right now. And let me show you, I got one more. I found this curtain. It's really long, and it is by Woolrich. Woolrich. I know that's like, I don't know who sells it in what store, but that is a nice item. And it's actually just a gray grommet. You can kind of like see through it a little bit. If you can see a little bit, you can see through it. And I needed this to go in the living room in between in between two of the curtains that don't like close all the way. Because like if the TV's on, well, sometimes I like leaving my blinds open. So with that being said, I would like to leave my ballet blinds open, the real thick ones, because I like the way they look. I would like to leave them open without you like seeing inside. If somebody was just looking or whatever, they can't like just see inside. But yeah, guys, those are all the items I got. And like I said, I'm not going to throw in a picture of the curtain in this video because you haven't had a tour of the living room. So you won't be seeing these curtains in this video until I do the living room tour. And then, like I said, I will point out that this is the curtain that I thrifted for 65 cents. But all these other items you will see. You will see this in the kitchen on the wall. Okay, you'll see that. And you won't see this because I'm not sure where I want to put it from. I mean, put it at. So yeah, I'm gonna put that over here, and then you will see this because I'm gonna show you how it looks at night, and I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna show y'all the deck, and I'm gonna show y'all pictures of what's going on with the garden too. So yeah. So guys, let me know what's your favorite thing. Did I score big or what? But guess what, y'all? I gotta go to the bathroom because I've been drinking too much tea, and I will see y'all in another video. All right. Show y'all. This is my largest pantry storage closet you can walk in. Most of this stuff is for sale, y'all. I'm just being honest. This is to go to show you too much stuff. So these two things are for sale. This is like you can go shopping in here. This lamp is for sale. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Yeah, that's for sale. Those two are for sale. These pillows, guys, I had to take them off the couch. I mean, off the dining room table chairs. You'll see. These are for sale. These are for sale because like I told you, less is more. I'd rather have one statement piece, and you'll see the statement piece that's in the office soon. This is for sale. This was in the office. I got those two pillows that was on the couch for sale. What else is in here? This table with the trim on it. This is for sale. That picture that was in the bedroom, that's going. What else we got? We got these bowls. That vase, if you could see it, is for sale. Yeah, guys, this is the storage. Look at this. This is like a shopping center. This is like TJ Maxx, Marshalls. This stuff is not going because this is my fall stuff. My sign that I'm probably going to put on the deck, and my fall little stuff that I'll put in a vase or something in the kitchen. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to put that thing, and if you can see, the light is inside of the actual canister, whatever you want to call it. So that's where that is, and I'll show you how it looks at night tonight. And guys, here is the garden. Look at my cucumber plant growing, and my right here my cilantro, and I have my cantaloupe here growing, and here is my tomato plant. Where are you? Tomato plant right there. And here is my wild lettuce, y'all, right there. So yeah, I'll see you guys. This is how oh gosh, how everything looks right quick. Okay guys, that's how that looks right here. I didn't even realize something. Y'all see this galvanized steel right here? Let me show y'all something. Didn't even realize this has galvanized steel. And guys, I'm gonna keep this right here. I wasn't gonna show y'all, but I'm putting it right here because I don't know if I showed you right here where it says you can either do it. You see that right there? Wait a minute. Did y'all see that? You can do it that way so it'll have that look. Can y'all see it? Let's see. So it can have that look where you can you can put the towel bar, the towel over that, so the bamboo will be on the outside. But I already have something over there. So yeah, alright guys, I'm going to end this video, but that's what I'm trying to do. When you come out of the kitchen, I just wanted to have that come from out of that warm, cozy area to the living room, and that y'all are going to be like, oh my God, I understand now, Sonia. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace and love always. This is how it looks lit up back here, and there is your lit up lantern right there. Do y'all see it? Isn't she pretty? Beautiful, beautiful. Good night, y'all. Good night.